What's up guys, welcome back to my channel again. So medyo I do apologize kasi it's been like 5-6 months na hindi tayo nakapag-upload. So I just got busy, you know, sa trabaho syempre kasi for now nagko-commute lang ako kasi I had a rental car but it was too expensive. It was $1,200, $1,200, so I give it back to the owner. Then I tried DoorDash, it wasn't good, so I started working in Fremont, like 2 cities away from here. So eto, hi sa mga subscribers ko, umalis yung tatlo. That's fine, siguro na bored kasi wala akong video. But sa mga nananatiling 509 subscribers ko, thank you so much, you guys. It's April 9th, almost 12:38 p.m. Noontime. It's warming up, so it's spring. Pero medyo malamig na. I mean, medyo mainit na. It's warming up. I think it's 80s right now. So this is my first train. So light rail. So ito yung LRT nila. So we're in Civic Center. Doon ako nakatira sa community namin. It's a 10-minute walk pero nakuha ko lang ng 7 minutes. So I left earlier kasi may titingnan tayong kotse. Kasi pagod na talaga ako. Medyo hindi na rin safe. Kasi last night 12 something AM yan, parating na. So tutur ko lang kayo. May lalaki parang mang-hold up loko eh. So inalerto ko lang sarili ko. So ayan, Bay Point. So first train, yeah. Then I gotta take another train, then BART, and then bus. Alright guys, hi again, you guys. Welcome back to my channel, John R. De La Cruz. So yan, napapakita ko lang yan, yan, Bay Point Station. So yan, may pass naman ako eh. So good. Yeah. Ayan, so timing lang tayo kasi ayaw nila na nag-video minsan. Yan. So first vlog natin after like yeah, ito yung loob, yan, maluwag. Sorry. Yan, mag-change yata ng operator. So tayo po. Kasi yung mga upuan minsan hindi na malinis eh. Dahil sa mga pulubi. Pero yan. Kasi naka-on na yung aircon. Hindi na heater. Kasi long hair na rin pala tayo. Hindi tayo nagpagupit. Yan. Hindi tayo nagpagupit for October, November, December, January, February, March. So 6 months na hindi nagpagupit yan. Pero magpapakalbo na ulit tayo. Mainit talaga, warm-blooded. So part 1 to. So part 2 tayo. Pag umabot tayo dun sa may pupuntahan kasi ako nadadaanan ng bus. Parang tire shop siya na may mechanic. Pero nagbibenta silang kotse. Ewan ko kung cash lang or baka pag pinakausapan ko siya pwede ako mag-down. Pero mas mura, may nakita ko $2,500, $3,000. So, tingnan natin. Alright. Oh, hold on. I see some friend. Hold on. So let me finish this vlog. You wanna say hi to my vlog? Alright. So ito, may nakita tayong kaibigan. Tyrone, right?
Yeah.
There we go. My old friend Tyrone.
What's up? That's my folks right here, boy.
There we go. He's my brother from another mother. So, alright.
Good to see you, man.
Yeah. Good to see you. Hold on, let me talk to you really quick. I want to say hi, man. Nice to see you, Tyrone. So, yun, kaibigan ko yun dati sa shelter. So, yan. So, alright. So, God bless everyone. Ito yung high vlog natin ulit after almost 6 months na hindi tayo nag-vlog. Pasensya na po. Kasi minsan nabibisi tayo. So, bye for now guys. Part 1 from San Jose, California. Yan. On a really kind of hot day na para sa akin. 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Kasi Fahrenheit dito. Yeah. But beautiful weather. Uulan daw ulit sa Sabado or Friday. Pero ganun na talaga. Pero magsa-summer na sa June eh. Spring na ngayon. Ayan, masarap yan. Jackie's Place Restaurant. Bye you guys. Peace. Love you guys. Missing Philippines and my kids. God bless.